Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and in today's video I'm just going to be showing you an idea for a weekday dinner. So I have these chicken cubes that are marinated, but first, before we go into the video, I'm gonna show you what I used to marinate this chicken. I used paprika. I used this blue cheese salad dressing that is written on. You can use it as a salad dressing, you can use it as a drizzle, you can use it as a splash, a dip, or a marinade. So I chose to use it as a marinade for my chicken cubes. So I added in my salt and black pepper mixture, and then a clove of garlic and a juice of 2 lemons. Then I mixed it up together and set it in the fridge overnight. So this was marinated like 12 to 18 hours ago. So all I'm going to do is just put the chicken on the skewers. I already have my vegetables. Given the fact that the vegetables don't really get ready together with the chicken at the same time, you can opt to put them on different skewers. But for me, it gave me the perfect crunch. So all I'm just going to do is skew or put the vegetables together with the chicken. They also, apart from their health benefits, they also give it some color, and we feed with our eyes before we actually put the food in our mouth. Yeah, so give it some color and enhance the flavors of the chicken. This was like the softest chicken I ever made. As you can see, it's really a short video. I didn't want you guys to miss this. So that's why I decided to share it. So you're going to have to put it on the skewers. You know how many people you have in your home? So yeah. And then this can be done over fire. I already have a video about beef kebabs. You can do them on charcoal. I'm going to leave that video link in the description box so you can actually see how you can manage the fire on the charcoal. Or you can use the oven. I used the oven for this particular one. And boy, oh boy, this was like the best chicken kebabs I ever had. And when you marinate your meats overnight, there's a way they are so tender, they are so juicy, they suck that all up together in that time that they are seated down, and it's just the most beautiful thing. It melts in your mouth. So yeah, I'm just going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, and then I'll remove and turn it so that the other side that is below can also get some heat up and it's not soggy. And if you can realize, I have used a tray that has a rack inside so that the chicken isn't soaked up in all the fat that is draining. And my vegetables are perfectly cooked, not so burnt. But yeah, by now the chicken is actually ready, but I'm going to turn and put it back so that the below part can also be dry up. And as you can see, it's all done. I've served it with some pilau rice, vegetables, fried plantains. I think I should have a video about plantains. I've seen someone request for that. And yeah, there you have it, a beautiful dinner in the middle of the week with less effort. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye.